Inflammation is a normal and essential process in the body's immune response to injury or infection. When tissue is damaged, immune cells release various chemical signals that trigger inflammation. It is a crucial part of the body's defense mechanism, as it helps to remove harmful substances, destroy pathogens, and initiate the healing process. However, chronic inflammation is different and can be harmful. It occurs when the inflammatory response persists for an extended period, often without a clear resolution of the initial cause. Chronic inflammation has been linked to numerous health problems, including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, arthritis, asthma, certain cancers, and neurodegenerative disorders. So, it is very important to control chronic inflammation in our body. Today we will discuss about top 8 anti-inflammatory foods you should include in your diet. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are small fruits packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They contain antioxidants called anthocyanins. These compounds have anti-inflammatory effects that may reduce your disease risk. A 2018 review of research suggests that phytochemicals found in berries may help delay cancer development and progression. In another study, adults with excess weight who ate strawberries had lower levels of specific inflammatory markers associated with heart disease than those who didn't. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, herring, mackerel are great source of protein, and the long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid. EPA and DHA help reduce inflammation, which can prevent metabolic syndrome, heart disease, diabetes, and kidney disease. Our body metabolizes these fatty acids into compounds called resolvins and protectins, which have anti-inflammatory effects. Studies have found that people consuming salmon or EPA and DHA supplements experienced reductions in the inflammatory marker C-reactive protein. Next in our list is broccoli. Broccoli is highly nutritious. It's a cruciferous vegetable, along with cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. Research has shown that eating many cruciferous vegetables is associated with a decreased risk of heart disease and cancer. This may be related to the anti-inflammatory effects of the antioxidants they contain. Broccoli is rich in sulforaphane, an antioxidant that decreases inflammation by reducing your levels of cytokines and nuclear factor kappa B, which are molecules that drive inflammation in your body. Next important anti-inflammatory food is avocados. Avocados contain potassium, magnesium, fiber, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. They also contain carotenoids and tocopherols, which are linked to a reduced risk of cancer and heart disease. In addition, one compound in avocados may reduce inflammation in newly forming skin cells. In a well-conducted study with 51 overweight adults, consuming avocados for 12 weeks led to decreased levels of inflammatory markers such as interleukin-1 beta and C-reactive protein. You have probably heard that green tea, such as matcha green tea, is one of the healthiest beverages. Research has found that drinking green tea is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, obesity, and other conditions. Many of its benefits are due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, especially a substance called epigallocatechin 3 gallate, or EGCG. EGCG inhibits inflammation by reducing pro-inflammatory cytokine production and damage to the fatty acids in our cells. Next important fruit is grapes. Grapes contain anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation. In addition, they may decrease the risk of several diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, obesity, arthritis, Alzheimer's, and eye disorders. Grapes are also one of the best sources of resveratrol, another antioxidant compound with many health benefits. Studies show that resveratrol can protect the heart against inflammation. Our diet list would be incomplete without turmeric. Turmeric is a spice with a warm, earthy flavor, often used in curries and other Indian dishes. It has received a lot of attention because it contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Research has shown that turmeric reduces inflammation related to arthritis, diabetes, and other diseases. In one study, people with metabolic syndrome consumed 1 gram of curcumin daily, combined with piperine from black pepper. They experienced a significant decrease in the inflammatory marker, C-reactive protein. It may be hard to get enough curcumin from turmeric alone to experience a noticeable effect. Taking supplements containing isolated curcumin may be much more effective. Now last but not the least is extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest fats you can eat. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and a staple in the Mediterranean diet, which provides numerous health benefits. Studies suggest extra virgin olive oil may reduce the risk of heart disease, brain cancer, obesity, and other serious health conditions. Research suggests that following a Mediterranean diet and supplementing with extra virgin olive oil can significantly decrease inflammatory markers. The effect of oleocanthal, an antioxidant found in olive oil, has been compared to anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen. Remember that extra virgin olive oil has greater anti-inflammatory benefits than refined olive oils. Some other anti-inflammatory foods you can consider, like peppers, dark chocolate, mushrooms, and tomatoes. Even low levels of inflammation on a chronic basis can lead to disease. Do your best to keep inflammation in check by choosing a wide variety of delicious, antioxidant-rich foods. Eating foods that are as close to their original form, and choosing a variety of brightly colored foods, can help provide more anti-inflammatory nutrients. Share this information with your loved ones and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.